The law of attraction is a secondary law. It is dependent on the primary law, which is the law of vibration. That can account for the reason maybe you have not manifested the things that you've been seeking to manifest, because if your vibration is low, you can only attract that which is on the same level with your vibration. You understand? So what you have not been told, what you have not been taught, is that the law of attraction is secondary. In order to attract, you must be on the same frequency, vibratory frequency of the object that you are seeking. Spiritually speaking, you must enter the same state of the object which you are seeking. I'm saying object here, but I mean, it could be a relationship, a state of being, a higher pay, a specific amount of money, a lifestyle, a dream, you name it. I'm just using object as an umbrella term, meaning that the goal. If you are not vibrating on the same frequency as that goal, as that aim, it won't be attracted. So you see, the law of attraction is just secondary, is dependent upon, it's contingent upon your vibration. So what is vibration? Vibration is the overall frequency, the overall mood, the overall going state that you embody at any given moment. That's your vibration. If you're down, you're sad, you're vibrating low frequency, low energy, because you're sad, you're down. If you're angry, low negative frequency. In those frequencies, you cannot attract money, you cannot attract love, you cannot attract beauty, you cannot attract luxury, because those items vibrate on higher frequencies. They vibrate on lighter frequencies. For example, if you were to take a scale from 0 to 100, wealth, love, prosperity would vibrate in the high 90s. Anger, depression, sadness vibrate on the first 5 of the scale, first 5 brackets of the scale, just to give you an example. So you can't be somebody, for example, who is in a bad relationship. You are in a toxic relationship. It's not working. You are always frustrated. You are always emotionally pent up. You are always angry. Yet you're seeking to accumulate wealth. You're seeking to have money. You're seeking to have joy. You're seeking to enjoy the higher state of bliss. Well, you would have to leave that relationship. It doesn't matter whether you're the one at fault or the person is at fault. There's no blame game. There is only a choice for yourself. You're choosing to leave that which holds you in a lower vibration. You're choosing to leave that which holds you back from emanating higher frequencies, where you can attract good people in your life, where you can attract coincidences, where you can attract beautiful, outgoing states in your life. I have found out romantic relationships and jobs are the 2 main areas where people remain stuck and therefore vibrate at low frequencies. Meanwhile, they're seeking to attain, they're seeking to create higher things, they're seeking to create a business, for example. Well, a business requires you to be present. A business requires you to be trusting. A business requires you to be joyful, or at least enthusiastic, or at least to maintain that state. Because otherwise, it's going to fail. It's going to go down. It's going to go to the lower of the vibration that you maintain. Because the business is you. Wherever you go, there you are. So, you might want to look at your relationship, your job, and see how they're causing you to vibrate. See what emotions they inflict in you. And then, if you choose to let the relationship go, quit the job, get into another job, what's going to happen is you're going to feel relieved. The lower energies will have dropped, and my friend, you will enter the higher 50s, like the higher range of vibration. And before you know it, you will get closer to the vibrations that can attract good things in your life, good people. Because when you're vibrating low, I guarantee you. So let's say, even if you were not in a relationship, because men and women do it, right? There are so many angry men and women in this world because of past relationships. They're not in a relationship, they're seeking a relationship, they're trying to attract someone, but they're still carrying the hurt, the pain, the suffering, the resentment from the old relationship. So they're still vibrating on that same frequency with the past relationship. Guess what they're going to attract? What is the law of attraction? Like attracts like. They're going to attract that which they vibrate with. That's why those women end up attracting the same old men in a different body. Those men end up attracting the same old woman in a different body. She behaves the same way as the old women. He behaves the same way as the old man, because those individuals seeking the new relationship still vibrate on the frequency of the old relationship. So when you leave a relationship, what I like to do and what I teach my clients to do is to reset your energy field through meditation, contemplation, affirmations, astral travel. You reset your energy field. You forgive yourself. You forgive the person that you left behind. Peace be unto me. I now forgive myself. I now forgive them. I understand that it was necessary for me to have met them. I understand that they played a part in my expansion. I love them. I wish them well. I let go and I enter a state of peace. I enter a state of love, a state of harmony. I'm ready to up-level my frequency. Therefore, I'm ready to attract another beautiful relationship. I'm ready to attract wealth. I'm ready to attract money, joy, peace, luxury, good friends, higher states of bliss and joy. I hope this helped you. It has the power to, if you allow it. Until next time, my brother, my sister, namaste.